How to update Instagram Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can update Instagram Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now recently, if you open up Instagram, you'll find the messaging type, which is the messenger like icon. Previously it had a sharp arrow like icon that was towards the right hand side, but now it is a messenger like icon. That is because now Meta has officially linked Instagram to Facebook, right? So now what you want to do is, if you want to get this new type of messaging icon over here, what you need to do from here is open up your Play Store. Nothing really much of a difficult process. In the search bar, just go ahead and then type in Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you will be able to update your Instagram Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.